Here is the history of Eidul-Adha. Eidul-Azha ya Eidul-Adha, also known as the Feast of Sacrifice, is a celebration of the willingness of the Prophet Abraham to sacrifice his son Ismail as ordered by God Allah. The story is retold in the Quran where Ibrahim has a dream in which Allah orders him to sacrifice Ismail as a sign of obedience. However, just as Ibrahim is about to kill Ismail, Allah stops him and replaces Ismail with a ram to be sacrificed instead. The event is commemorated annually by Muslims worldwide through animal sacrifice Qurbani, where a lamb, goat, cow, camel, or other animals is slaughtered and divided into three equal parts to be shared among family, friends, and the needy. The celebration lasts 3 to 4 days and begins on the 10th day of the Islamic month of Zulhajj, coinciding with the annual pilgrimage to Mecca Hajj. May Allah accept your sacrifices and grant you happiness on this Eidul Adha. Wishing you a blessed Eidul Adha. May it bring joy and prosperity to your family. May this Eidul Adha bring peace, happiness, and togetherness to you and to your loved ones. Ameen.